So I'm going to show you guys this place. It has a really nice park. I hope it is open. I hope it is open for you guys to see. No, it is not. It is closed. I thought I would show you guys the park. It is closed at the moment. So this is the park that I actually wanted to show you guys, but it is closed at this moment. Gottilla yaವಾಗ open ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ. There's a man sitting over there, chilling, and some man's doing their work. I wonder if we get a chance to actually see this place today. It's closed. So there you go, you can see a skating ring over there for kids to skate. Not just kids, even elder people can come down to this place and skate, whoever is experienced in skating. And some play area for children. Feels nice, man. It's like absolutely silent, quiet inside this residential area. Had it been opened, it would be really nice. I wonder when this place would be open completely. So I'll take some shots from here for you guys to see. Check this out. I'll tell you where this place is in another few minutes. So until then, you'll have to watch this video. A really nice place to actually come down and visit. Tumba chennagide. A lot of sculptures are also there. Sculptures which can actually explain a lot of things. Let me take a few shots. Nobody is out here. It is absolutely empty. Wish there was a chance to actually get inside and show you guys this place, but it is locked. Or else I would have gone inside and shown you guys this place. It's really nice, quiet. Right, so yes, after a really long time I've come out of my house to actually walk around inside a park, but not get an opportunity all this while. So I'm taking a walk right now. I'm going to show you this park over here. The sun is setting and the view is really nice. It's a really nice park. It's little huge, and there is a skating ring also, as I showed you guys. Then there are some sculptures which personifies a lot of things when you look deep into them. So this is how it looks. Let me start from here. What's written? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ನಗರ್. ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ನಗರ್ 1ನೇ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಉದ್ಯಾನವನದ ಲೋಕಾರ್ಪಣೆ. ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ನಗರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ park, ದಿನಾಂಕ 25 Feb 2018. So this park was inaugurated in 2018 Feb, almost 3 years from there on. So Lokarpane, dedicated by Sri KJ George, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಗರ ಯೋಜನೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರ ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿ ಸಚಿವರು, Bangalore Development Minister. Then Ganapati ke Sthiti, so KC Ramurthy, Rajya Sabha, and all this Venkatesh and Jagdish Reddy, Sadasyaru Bengaluru Abhivrudhi Pradhikara. Then Kodandaram Reddy, Kodand Reddy, and a few others. Wish this park was open and I could show you guys. I'll show you to you through this. So this is a clean drinking water place, and if you pay 5 rupees you'll get water here. This is dedicated to the citizens. So this is the place, this is the tap, and if you give 5 rupees, so that is the 5 rupee coin that you'll have to get, and you'll get water. Starts from 7:15 in the morning until 8:30 p.m. This is the place where you put 5 rupees. Vending machine, water vending machine.